Okay, this morning I want to post a video on how you're going to complete the mutual fund worksheet. I want you to explore a few different, 4 different types of mutual funds. So you can see as I scroll down in the worksheet here, a chart for each mutual fund that you're going to do a little bit of research on. There are over 17,000 different mutual funds for investors to choose from. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Yahoo Finance. So I'm going to click on Yahoo Finance here, and you're going to go up here to the top of the screen to My Screeners, and you're going to click on Mutual Fund Screener. Okay, once you get to Mutual Fund Screener, you'll see there's a variety of variables here that you can input some different information and then search based on what you input into each of the different categories here. So for exchange, NASDAQ's already there. We'll leave NASDAQ, and I'm also going to click on the New York Stock Exchange. Category name, this is where you can search on a variety of different categories that will meet a certain criteria. So I am going to search on a couple different variables here. I'm going to search on small growth. So those types of mutual funds include companies that are in the growth phase of their business, smaller companies, hence maybe a little more risk. And then the other thing that I'm going to search on, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to search on foreign growth companies. Okay, so those two. Fund family, mutual funds are essentially offered for sale by a variety of different companies. So some popular companies are Fidelity. You may have heard of Fidelity. I'm also going to click on Goldman Sachs. Morningstar performance rating overall. So how is the mutual funds within the categories? I want to see mutual funds that are rated as a 4 or 5. So fairly have high ratings as evaluated by a company called Morningstar. Then I'm going to click on Find Mutual Funds. And what you will see here is a list of different mutual funds that you can then click and click on and then evaluate and fill out your worksheet. Okay, so the first one I'm going to click on right here. I ask you in the worksheet to name the mutual fund. So let's go back to the mutual fund worksheet. What's the name of the mutual fund and the ticker symbol? Okay, so the name of this mutual fund is Fidelity A Series International Growth, and mutual funds trade under 5-letter tickers or symbols. So this one is FIGSX. So 5 instead of the 3 or 4 or maybe even 2 that you would have found when you were buying individual stocks. Okay, then the next thing, if you click on the profile, this will give you a variety of information that will help you fill out the mutual fund worksheet. So the first of all, the category, this is foreign large growth funds. The fund family, Fidelity Investments. Fidelity offers this mutual fund. The year-to-date return, it's actually down 0.12%, not much, but the fund is down. The Morningstar style box evaluates the types of companies. So these are large companies in the growth phase of their business. Okay, the other alternatives here, it could be a blend of companies that are both growth and value. Value companies means that these companies are in the mature phase of their business cycle. Then the other thing I would like you to look at are what are some of the top holdings. So if you click on holdings and scroll down, these are actually company names. The top 10 holdings or companies that the mutual fund invests in. Okay, so if you go down, you're going to recognize MasterCard and Visa, um, probably. So that is just a little bit of help in filling out this mutual fund worksheet, and then you can consider if you would like to add a mutual fund to your How the Market Works portfolio. Have a nice day.